Mag-alas 2 na pala kasi. Anyway, magandang umaga. Magandang hapon po. Tapos, makulimlim. Tignan nyo. Makulimlim. I had to tie it back because it's all over my face. Right. Adobo tayo, guys. Let's do some adobo. Lagyan natin siya ng what do you call that? Eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Probably 4 eggs. 4 eggs, maybe. Wala tayo ng patatas. Let's put the hard-boiled eggs and we are done. There you go. That lovely, lovely sauce. He wants to be nosy. We want to be nosy. It's raining. Oh look, this is our pumpkins. That's one of them. The other one on this side. Can't take a photo because it's raining. It pigs. Look. Oh, the garden looks a little bit sad. Hi pigs. Many pumpkins on that side there. On the ledge. Oh. Give me 5. Good boy. Good boy. No more. Don't look at me like that. We're going to make rice. Daddy's coming home soon. Come. Come. Daddy's coming home. Come up here. Okay. We'll wait for Daddy here, okay? Hmm? Hmm? It's my big baby. Oh, naku. You smell like Mommy's adobo already. Mind you, Mommy smells like adobo too. Oof. After having a shower. Look at this softie. Look at this softie, baby. Hinihintay niya na daddy niya.
Little monkey on your cat. You little monkey. Hello. Sit in your place, because that's my place. It's like this, huh?
Having green tea. This is a challenge for you, isn't it, darling?
It's going to be a
I
challenge.
said he can eat adobo, but he needs to eat with his bare hands. Well, you said you're Bicolano, you're Oragon, so you're supposed to be able to eat it, all right? Kain tayo, guys.
Oh, look, I found a spoon.
But that's not for you to
Oh,
use.
okay.
It's a serving spoon. Ay, you have to say, kain tayo, guys. Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo. Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo. Where's all the lumpy bits? Because they're going to be the easy ones to pick up. Cheating.
Look at that boy next to you.
Yeah, tongue hanging out. Sitting there thinking, where's my flipping shame?
You know you can start. Oh, wait.
I'm going to watch you. I'm going to see how you start.
Kasi, paano ang tamad mong mag-aral?
Yeah.
See? You agree? You're lazy to learn, that's why. Did you get itlog?
You'll get, take it what?
Itlog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Patatas?
Yeah.
Kumuha ka ng patatas?
Yeah.
What did I say?
Go potatoes. Potatoes.
Okay.
Don't worry, pal. We'll feed you. Don't worry.
You always get fed.
You don't get this.
Cheers. Get rice like that.
Ah, burnt my fingers. What a mess.
Is that supposed to be a mess? If you do it properly, it won't be a mess. That's it, pinch it. And then,
all the rice falls out.
look, you put it like this. And then look, this is free. See? No, look. Look. That's free, yeah? So you put it on the 3 fingers. And look. And then you push it with your hands. With your hands, with your thumb. Mmm. You're salivating, darling. Look. Look.
Thank God somebody invented a knife and fork.
Look. But did you know this is actually healthier to eat than your knife and fork?
It is. It is. I have been told that before.
Look at it. Look, look. You hold it like this. Look. It's not gonna be as messy. If you
I've got it.
impatient ka kasi. Look. The thumb is supposed to act as the one that, you know.
I need my thumb to hold it.
No, you don't.
I need,
Once you press it together.
I need 2 thumbs.
Oh dear. Once you press it together.
Your battery's running out. Filming's going to finish soon. I'll pick up a fork.
No, you're not.
Here we go. Hang on. Break a piece of chicken. Squeeze a bit of rice. And suck it in.
Look.
Oh, yes.
You
All right,
have
now.
to.
I can do this.
That you can do.
I can do that one.
Look, babe. You're not listening. You press it together. You don't just grab rice and put it in your mouth. You press it together to form, to make it slightly solid, so it doesn't fall apart in your fingers.
Okay.
See? Look.
Hang on, I need a bit of spot.
Hindi kasi ito marunong turuan eh. You keep salivating. Look, that's from your mouth. You squirt saliva. You're funny. If you listen, you're not a very good student.
Ah, there's a piece. Look.
Press it together. Don't just pick it up. Look. Press it.
Oh my God.
Press it. See? And then if it's see?
Oh God, that's a whole piece of ginger.
Oh, you eat it.
Mmm.
Bahala ka nga. Hindi ka marunong turuan.
I love the ginger in adobo.
This is gonna whack me in a minute.
Be careful when I'm eating.
This is nice.
Be careful when I'm eating. It's dangerous. Do we know something funny?
What?
On the radio today, they were talking about people's experiences in the cinema.
Mm.
And this woman said she was pregnant and she went to the cinema with one of her friends. And halfway through the film, she said, while the film's going on, she went, I think my water's broken. So she thought her waters had broken. So they slowly creeped out the cinema. And they
thought?
Yeah. So they got out to the foyer, like the entrance.
Mm.
And they're there and she's like, oh my God, you know, get all wet down here. And this bloke came up behind who they didn't know. And he said, I'm really sorry. He said, I think I spilled my drink on you.
Is that made up or?
She said they just stood there laughing. The poor bloke didn't know what they were laughing at. And they explained and he started laughing as well. I don't know how he done it, but somehow he was trying to get past or something, but he spilt liquid on her, like 7-Up or something. And she thought her water was broken.
Come on, you can do it.
So much quicker with a knife and fork. Yeah, but every time I squeeze, it just oozes in between my fingers.
You don't squeeze it to squirt. Just squeeze it just to form. Because your rice is actually nice and sticky.
Squeeze it to form.
Exactly.
Just squeeze to form. Scoop up.
Then-
Wait for the first bit to fall off. And then look, it's all over my fingers. Look, it's all over my fingers.
And it's all over you.
There we go. And just one easy way to do it to the table.
You need to practice because with that, we are going to do speaking only Tagalog as well one day.
Not what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
Now I need the concentration on my rice. It's good. I have been told in the past,
Right.
eating with your fingers is healthy because of, I forget what it is, something to do with what's in your fingers, in your skin.
Well, don't say that because I mean you could be just working outside and come inside and eat it. Eat with it, and it's not healthy. You need to have clean hands.
Well, obviously not going to be a mechanic and come straight in from work, eh?
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look, a potato, one piece, look. Cheat. Even the dog's bored of me doing it. He's probably thinking, what a prat trying to do that. It'd probably be easier to eat like him.
You can try it.
Okay, one night I eat like a Filipino, another night I eat like the dog.
Look like you're struggling.
Oh. Yep. Still tastes good though.
It's even tastier if you eat it, just by hands. Wow.
Giant cheesy pizza. Except we haven't got an oven big enough to make a massive pizza though.
You have to bring it in cooked
Have
already.
to make it in 4 bits and put it together. Stick it together with the cheese.
You have to order it. They do. That's it. There you go. Ah, well done. Well done, darling.
Got some more lumpy bits. Because they're easier.
You cleaned your plate.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's adobo, mate. I'm not messing about. Oh, go on. One more time. One lump of rice. I'm not going to have another egg. I'll be blinded. Potatoes. A couple of bits of chicken in there somewhere. Oh, that's potatoes.
Patatas, not potatoes.
Where's the chicken manok?
It's plenty. I can see it from here.
Is that manok?
Yeah.
That's manok.
There's another manok next to it.
Chicken
Oh
manok.
my.
Bit of chicken manok. Bit of ginger. Oh, that's good, look. Excuse me. If I stick a piece of manok to that, look. Mmm.
It's good, darling, yeah?
What's this?
Patatas.
Potatoes. Potato. Potato. You say potatoes, I say potatoes.
You said tomato, I said kamatis.
That's different.
What?
That's different. I think it's that. If you say tomato, I say tomato.
Well, that's English, American.
Tomato.
In Philippines, it's kamatis.
Come on, you little monkey being a Royce. Come on, stick to the nut. It's supposed to be deep.
Look, babe, you need to use this. You're funny.
There's big bits of ginger in it.
Oh, no, you're not eating it, are you?
Like that. Ginger.
Oh, no.
And inside your adobo.
Buto. No, grizzle.
Bit of Monoc grizzle. There's the ginger. There's the ginger, look.
Luya.
It's strong.
That's luya.
That's what?
Luya.
Lawyer. I don't need a lawyer.
Not a lawyer. Luya.
Luya. I'm eating it. Luya. Oh, that ginger's strong. Phew. It's good though.
Of course it's good.
Should really have something with it though.
You should have.
Phew, strong. Like that.
And it's quicker to eat with bare hands. This one is on my face.
Excuse my elbow.
Show it to Mama. Mama, Papa, look.
They'll go, your mama and papa are going to go, after all these years, and you still can't do it.
Because you're tamad.
Yeah.
You're lazy to try that sort of thing. What's that for?
It's just tiring.
Oh, you're funny. You cleaned your plate
2 times.
2 times.
Twice.
Oh, it's good. Mabruk.
Shukran.
Look, guys.
Hey.
Nalinis
Get
niya,
that.
oh. See? It looks like something has smoked in it.
My finger to clean it up.
Well done. You passed the challenge. There he is.
Hey, look. Say hello. Say I'm watching my daddy making being a complete numpkin. Hey?